Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make the creamiest tomato soup, perfect for this cold season. Step by step tutorial for beginners. If you are new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Good morning again. I have 5 tomatoes here, so I'll go ahead and wash my tomatoes. Rinse them. Chop them up. I'll add them to the blender. I'll add some clean water. This is from the same bowl I used to chop my tomatoes. And then I'll go ahead and blend this. I have some garlic here, I have my ginger, and then right here I have lots of green onions. Rinse them again and then chop them. For the leafy part we are going to chop it separately. I'll set them aside separately. I'm going to be very generous with my ginger today. Okay. If you like, you can peel your ginger. I'll rinse my ginger. For the garlic, I have 4 cloves here. Be very generous with your garlic. I'll peel it off. And rinse the garlic. Now I'll chop my garlic. Chop my ginger into pieces. I have my tool here for the crushing so you can get a paste. If your knife skills are good, finely chop your garlic and ginger. Okay, I already lit my fire. I'll add my pot. I'll add my oil. And then I'll add the whitish part of my onions in. Ginger and garlic in. Now the leafy part of my onion. And then moving on, I have my rosemary leaves here. I'll snap some in. Okay. I'm now going to add in my tomato puree. I would have blended my onions, garlic and ginger together with my tomatoes, but I wanted the aroma and not the smell. That is why I decided to fry my onions and ginger and garlic paste. So with that, I'm going to add some fresh milk in. I'll add a generous amount of black pepper in, half a tablespoon. And then to reduce the acidity, I'm going to add some sugar. I'll mix this up. A pinch of salt to balance everything up. Then we'll bring it to a boil now. This soup is just ready now. I'll serve this with some bread. Let's move on to my favorite part, the taste. It smells so good. This is definitely good. It's a comforting soup, especially during this cold season. You can snack on it for breakfast, or if you have a cold, you can have it. Since it has ginger, this tomato soup is everything. I feel the ginger, the pepper that I added today, it's hot enough. The sugar is just okay. I can't feel the tanginess, the acidity in the tomato. Make sure you are very generous when it comes to your garlic and ginger and your onions and also black pepper. So let's give this a proper test. Since it's now cold season and it's a season for soups, this recipe just changed how I saw tomatoes. Tomatoes are not just main ingredient in different recipes. They can be souped up as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.